Hi, good morning. This is Prakkash. Hope you all doing good. And today we are going to discuss about the health benefits of avocado. The avocado is a source of vitamin C, E, and K, and it have a magnesium and potassium and also a omega 3 acid. Avocado boosts HDL, good cholesterol in your body, and it helps to protect your eyes and lower your blood pressure and its fight against some kinds of cancers also and maintain a healthy heart and it's control your diabetics and it's good for your skin and it's encourage the weight loss and increase the nutrition in your body. So in our daily diet I am suggesting to have a avocado. It is a only one good source of all kind of nutrition available. So if you want to make it as a salad or if you want to make it as a juice, it's up to your wish. But try to add avocado in your daily diet. And I want to thank you all, those who subscribe me and for our last videos I got a lot of likes and comments and got lot of views. Thank you so much again for helping me to grow in YouTube and please try to share our videos to your friends and family members. Have a good day. Stay healthy. Thank you.